Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to use Steam Workshop for mods. To do that, begin by launching the Steam application on your computer. Ensure that you are logged in into your Steam account. Then navigate to the games for which you want to add mods in your Steam library. In the Games menu, look for the Workshop tab. This tab is where you'll find a collection of user-created mods for the specific game. Once you're in the Workshop tab, you'll see a list of available mods. These mods can range from simple cosmetic changes to extensive gameplay modification. Browse through the selection and click on mod that interests you. This opens a detailed page with information about the mod. If you decide you want to use it, click the subscribe button. This action adds the mod to your Steam account, and it will be downloaded and installed automatically. After subscribing to a mod, Steam will initiate the download process. You can monitor the progress in the Steam download section. Once the download is complete, the mod will be installed and you are ready to use it in your game. With the mod installed, launch the game directly from your Steam library. The mod you've subscribed to will be active provided you with a modified gaming experience. Some games might have a separate launcher where you can enable or disable specific mods before starting the game. To manage your mod, return to the Workshop tab. You can find this by going to the Games Library page and selecting the Workshop tab from the menu. Inside the Workshop, click on your files to see a list of the mods you subscribed to. From here, you can unsubscribe from mods you no longer want by clicking the unsubscribe button. You can also check for updates to your mods and ensure that you are using the latest version. And that's how to use Steam Workshop for mods. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.